Hello everyone, this is Muntasir from muntasirrahman.com. In today's video, I will show you how you can move your list from how you can move your subscribers from one list to another list in Aweber. So it is practically very easy and the video won't be too long because the process is very straightforward. So first you will need to log into your Aweber dashboard, and for this to work you will need to have at least two lists. So I have two lists, the one is MMBP and the other is Muntasir Rahman's list. So I have two lists, that's why I can do that. So if you don't have two lists, this way will not be available to you. So you will need to have at least two lists available. So first what we will do is I will go to list options and then list automation. In the list automation, I can have some automation rules. So for that I will just click here. And you can see I can have some rules, like the first one is unsubscribe from list MMBP when subscribing to Muntasir Rahman list. So if any subscriber subscribes to Muntasir Rahman's list, then he or she will be automatically unsubscribed from the MMBP list. Okay, this is one rule. The other is unsubscribe from list MMBP when unsubscribing from Muntasir Rahman's list. So this is if someone unsubscribes from the MMBP list, then he or she will be automatically unsubscribed from Muntasir Rahman's list. And the lastly, subscribe to list MMBP when subscribing to Muntasir Rahman list. That means when someone subscribes to the MMBP list, he or she will be automatically subscribed to the Muntasir Rahman list too. Now I can have this the other way around. So if I choose the activate list to be Muntasir Rahman's list, and now if I see the automation rules, we can see the same rules for just Muntasir Rahman's list. Okay, so this is how you can place automation tags, list automation tags in your Aweber dashboard, and your subscribers will be managed automatically. So this is how you can actually move subscribers from one list to another in Aweber. As I have told you, this will be a very short video. I hope you have liked today's video. Now if you want to start with Aweber, you can do it for free. Aweber is currently having a free plan so that you can enjoy their features for up to 500 subscribers. If that interests you, then hit the link in the description box below. With that link, you will go to a form where you will need to put your name and email and other things to create the Aweber account for free, and that will be an affiliate link. So if you decide to buy Aweber premium plans in the future, then I will get a commission for that, and thank you very much for that. I hope today's video was helpful to you. If it was, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.